Hi, my name is Olivier from Activity Messenger, and in this video, we're going to create an end of session reminder template using Canva to be sent out a few days before the last day of the session. So what I have here is my email template. These images, you can actually use Canva. So you can create in Canva. So if I click here, it's going to open up my Canva account, and then I can modify and create the images that I want to push into my communication here. From there, I can actually personalize the outreach. So it's going to pick up the participant's first name, the name of the activity, and as well as the end date that was set up in the registration process. You can also links to register to the next session, and even added a button for a satisfaction survey. So what that looks like is if the client would receive that on the last day of class, like, hey, I want to register for next session, they click here, and then a registration form in Activity Messenger is going to open up. If they say, hey, I actually want to, give some feedback on how the class went, we have a built-in kind of SurveyMonkey replacement in the platform where people can go through and just give you, their thoughts on how the activity went. And lastly, this end of session, automation, which will automate in a few seconds, you can actually add a certificate, right? So this is going to populate from an evaluation form and add the current level, the next level, the participant's name, and in this example, the name of the instructor, but you can modify that to make it your own as well. So let's go automate it. If I go to my end of session reminder automation task, I can decide when to send it out. I always like to send it out a few days before the last day of class, so I get less emails of people saying, hey, when's the last day of the session? So it's a nice reminder. Then you would select the list you want to send it out, and then you simply go and configure the message. And you will see here we have the message we were just building on the template builder here. It gives you a bit how it looks on the phone because most people are going to open it on their phone. You can also decide to send it by SMS and email or SMS only. So what that would look like, it would be SMS would be here. You would write in your little text, and when they click on this link, it would open up the full kind of image with link email reminder. You can also decide to send it to both parents. So all you got to do is save this, and this will automatically be sent out and personalized based on the last day of the activity for each participant. And lastly, if you are looking to, create a certificate, we also do these in Canva. So you can click on Create Canva, opens up your account, you bring in your certificate in, and then you have these different text blocks that you can add in. These text blocks are like the participant's first name, current level, and you can decide which placeholder you want to add in there. So you have all these different placeholders from your different forms. You can even create your own on an evaluation form and then be able to create your certificate. And lastly, I just want to apply this if you are looking to do this. We click on forms. Let's just take this example. You can see it's going to pick up the person here and it's going to fill out based on their evaluation form. You can prepare PDF, you can print it out, or you could just simply send it and then people can, print it out or keep it for the records or what they want to do. So if you want more information, you can visit activitymessenger.com.